There's a fish. As soon as it hit the water. Welcome back, folks. We got some good intel of a place where we're gonna try out this morning. Probably will be overgrown. I know the stuff we were looking back at last night on Google Maps may be a little grown up, but we're gonna try to get in there and go see what kind of fish we can catch out. We may have to just try with a night crawler on the bottom and see what happens. But I think this will be a pretty good spot. We're gonna go try it out. I'm taking you with me. Let's go. That place was a bust. It is a biking and hiking trail, and where it crosses the road there where I went to, it's probably a half a mile to 3/4 of a mile back in there to get to the spot that we can fish at. So I might just have to find me a bicycle, and we'll have to take all our camera gear in a backpack on a bicycle down that trail. That's I'm sure that's for a future video, so we'll see how that goes. There's a couple more spots I'm going to check out. We'll go see what they look like. Well, as you can see, another dead end. I've got another spot I'm going to try out. We'll see if we can at least catch a fish and get some content for you this morning. Bridge here they just put in. May have to do some climbing, but we're gonna get down there and try it out. Looking pretty good. Nice little waterfall down there. I don't know if you can see that right there. Get down there and try it out. Okay. I've tied the white rooster tail on. And we're gonna head down here and see if we can catch a smallmouth, rock bass, anything that's biting. If I can get down here without falling, that would be great. That's really steep right there. Looks like I'm going to need to go over that way a little. See if we can do this without going down the hill. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I want to throw in below that waterfall there because I have a feeling there's some fish sitting down there below it. Got this white rooster tail on some 6-pound mono. Little fish pecking at it. There's a log right there and I don't want to get stuck on it. Tiny fish hitting at it. Have to find out what they are. There's one. Slowed down just a little and he hit it. Looks like a little rock bass. Sure is. Little old rock bass. Just a smacking at it. Let's go try upstream a little ways. Oh, too far. Let's go try down this way. When you get in your 40s, it hurts a lot more than when you fall in your 20s. Just saying. Definitely does. Carefully planning out each step so as to not fall and hurt myself. A little muddy right here. Oh my, sinking fast. There's a rock. Let's stand right here and make some casts. Make sure there ain't no trees around. And I just cast it right in that tree. Got it out. That was pretty awesome. There we go. There's a fish. Get over here. Oh, it's tiny. Little tiny sunfish. I mean, that is tiny. I'm surprised I even caught him. Wow, what a small fish. There you go. A few bites, but I think it's those really small ones. Yeah, they're tiny fish. Tiny, tiny, tiny fish. Like I said, I fished at this creek, but not specifically at this spot. This spot here is usually a lot deeper than what it is now, but we've had such a long stretch without any rain that it's getting really dry. It's really a lot lower than what I've seen it. Some fish flapping at it there. See if they'll go for it again. They're just too small. If I had a trout magnet on here, oh, there's a fish. As soon as it hit the water. Nice, nice, nice fish. I do have my camera running. I think this might be a spotted bass. This might just be a really nice spotted bass. It is toothy patch on the tongue. If you're ever wondering how to check, see that little brown toothy patch? Nice spotted bass. Nice creek spotted bass right here. Yeah, baby, we'll take that. We will take that. Get some pictures of him. Check it out. Nice spotted bass. Really nice spotted bass down here at this creek. That's probably the biggest spotted bass I've caught all year. That's pretty awesome. Let's get him back in the water. I'll tell you what, that is fun. The minute that bait hit the water, he had it. It was like something fell in the water and he knew it. I didn't even get a chance to reel. When I started reeling, it was like I was hung up on something. That's how on it that bass was. That's the biggest spotted bass I've caught all year. I'll tell you what, they fight. Oh, they fight so hard. We've moved down the creek a little ways. Fish wait till it's right about to come out of the water, and then they hit it. Of course, scare you to death. There's one. There's one. Another little sunfish. Another little sunfish just come out of nowhere and just hammered it. Little long-eared sunfish. The thing about a rooster tail, you're going to catch pretty much every species that's in the creek. That's just the way this bait works. Down that way. Man, I love creek fishing. Oh, okay. Move down here a little bit. Make some casts down this way. There's one right here at the edge. He come up and smacked it. Man, that'll get your heart to racing. Okay, be still. I'll help you out here. I think I can help you out. There you go. Another spotted bass. Another one. His fin's all messed up. He's had a rough life. Look at that nice spotted bass. Not quite as big as the last one, but we'll take it. We will take it. Good fighter. Man, when they come up and hit it, right as you're about to pull it out of the water, I'm telling you, makes you jump. A lot of sticks right in this area. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. That's a big old rock bass. He'd come out of there and hit it. Oh, quit putting your fins up. Makes it harder for me to get this hook out of your mouth, buddy. There we go. Little rock bass. He's not happy about me having him. Nice little rock bass. Good deal. We are having success this morning. After trying to find a couple spots. Actually, there was 3 spots I was looking at. Came to this spot, and last spot I was going to go check out. Came here and we have gotten lucky. If you like this kind of thing, I will put 2 more videos on the screen here for you to check out. Go check that out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I hope I earned your subscription today. Also, click that notification bell. That way you get an alert every time we post a new video. We'll see you guys next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.